we are very happy to have finally arrived in this lovely state and city of Goa. The western part of the country, including Goa, is a very high potential and high focus area for us for setting up our business. Goa again is an emerging economy. Much more wealth is being created here than the previous years. And we are at the forefront of creating innovation for our financial product distributor partners, etc. We hope to make a mark here and make an impact.
We are a multi-asset, multi-product, multi-geography platform for B2B partners who are IFAs and MFDs who want to grow their business, who have just started in this space and want to manage their clients well, including HNI, ultra HNI clients or clients across various geographies, even outside India. We can help them cater to those clientele as well and grow their business with us.
We have only one ambition over here, that we want to be the growth partner for all the FPTs and our partners over here in Goa.
Yeah, we have today only inaugurated our office in Goa. It is in Punjab, in Patto, near Patto only, and a full-fledged office where FPDs, IFAs, MFDs, they can go and visit our branch, they can meet our team, they can see the demonstration of the entire platform, and can bring in their clients as well.